How would you like to learn how to travel with art? Let me show you what I mean. For over 30 years, I've been filling journals when I travel, combining drawing, watercoloring, collage, photography, even pop-ups. Now, I want to teach you these techniques in Italy. Hi, I'm Michael Scherotter, and I started filling journals like this when I was an architecture student on a trip to Greece and Italy, and now I have a 10-day workshop for you at the La Romita School of Art in Umbria. We'll take day trips across the hill towns and sites of Umbria where you will sketch, paint, and collect the culture in our journals. I will be teaching you in groups and one-on-one, on-site and back in our studio to help you develop your own craft to create a one-of-a-kind artifact of your adventure. You don't need to be an artist, just someone who wants to learn dozens of ways to fill the pages of a journal. I will meet you where you are on your artistic journey and help you build your own visual journaling style. This is all inclusive. Lodging, homemade food, wine, and transportation, all except for your airline ticket, will be included. There will be a time to relax, soak in the culture, make new friends, and learn from each other as we take in and appreciate this Italian adventure. I want to help you develop the confidence to create art wherever you are, so you can make craft the most amazing memory device ever made, a journal that tells your story. Imagine coming back from this workshop. You open the journal to show family and friends. As you go page by page, you're smiling because you're instantly back in Italy as you retell your story with the art you created there. There is one page that you pass over, remembering that there is a story that you will keep to yourself. Join me in April 2027 for my illustrated travel journal workshop in Italy. This is a journey that you will never forget.